Hey everybody, hope you're having a super awesome day. So today I'm so excited to bring you this new video, and today I'm going to be talking to you about IQLIFE. Now IQLIFE is a artificial intelligent smart products brand. They are Australian owned and operated, and they have such an amazing range of smart device products, and these are available so conveniently and easily to use in your very own home via their IQLIFE app. Download on the App Store and Google Play, and you can use them on your smartphones. And with the fast-paced, ever-growing and evolving rate of technology these days, all our devices and artificial intelligence is completely becoming just the normal thing, and it's very much the way of the future. So these products are really going to help you along with that and make your life so much easier and so much more convenient. And today I'm going to be talking about two of IQLIFE's products, and the first one I have here is their IQLIFE Smart Wi-Fi plug. Now this one you can use in the convenience of your own home, and this is it right here. So basically you just plug this into your wall at home. There is also a USB cable port you can see there as well, and this works when you download the IQLIFE app. It's really easy. You just download it, or you can scan the QR code which is in the manual. Their products do come with really great detailed instruction manuals to help you along the way. It makes the setup so much easier and clearer and a lot better to understand. All you have to do is register, and then you're ready to get started straight away. Now this works with no hub or gateway required, but just be aware that it does only work on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi range. So depending on your modem, you may need to tweak your modem settings to get started. But if you're not sure about that, or you're having a little bit of trouble understanding how to get started, IQLIFE does have a great support system, so you can contact them via phone or email or their online support. And they also do have their very own store in Westmead in Sydney. So if you're in the Sydney area, you can go right in there, check them out. The guys in there can answer any questions that you have, help you along, show you the products and get you started. And what's really great about the Wi-Fi smart switch is you can control it right from your phone, and then you can use it with any of the other IQLIFE products, which leads me into the other product that I'm going to talk about, which I've been using with this device. And this is the IQLIFE LED Smart Wi-Fi light bulb, and this is what it looks like here. As you can see, it's just your normal standard looking light bulb, but it is really good, durable, great quality. What's really cool about this light bulb though is that it is dimmable up to 16 million different shades of light. So that is amazing. So you can really set the mood in your house if you like a really bright light or a dimmer light, maybe at night time, or whatever mood you're trying to create. You can set that with this light bulb. So that is really cool, and you can do that all via the app. So if you're not even at home, you can still change the light settings, and then when you get home, however you have set your lights on, that's how they will be. You can also set timers on the app, so if you want the lights to turn on at a certain time and you want them at a certain dimmable range, however you want them to be, they will turn on at that time. So you can set the timer, and then you don't have to think about it. It will just go on and do its thing. And this is also a really great security feature. So if you're not at home and you want the lights to turn on or at a certain time, just so it looks like someone is home, maybe if you're on holiday or something like that, then you can keep the lights changing during different times of the day or the night, then that's a really good feature and a great idea to do as well. Now these have a lifetime wattage of 25,000 hours, so that is a lot of light up time that these have, and it just goes to show the great quality of these products. So these products are super affordable as well. So the light bulb's only $37, and the smart Wi-Fi plug retails for only $29. So that's really great value. And with these smart device products, they're also energy saving, so you will over time save up to 88% off your power bill, which is huge. I know I am always looking for ways to reduce my power bill by trying to unplug products, turn things off at the wall, reduce the amount of lights I have on in the house, or the electronic devices I'm using, like the TV or the air conditioner or the heater, things like that. So to have a light bulb that's energy saving and is doing the work for me, that is brilliant, and I love that. So you can also control IQLIFE's products via your Amazon Echo or Google Home. So if you have either of those devices, you can just say, "Okay Google, PowerPoint on."
Got it. Turning PowerPoint on.
"Okay Google, turn on the lights." "Okay Google, turn off the lights." "Okay Google, dim the light bulb to 10%. "Okay Google, light bulb full." "Okay Google, light bulb color green." "Okay Google, light bulb color blue." "Okay Google, light bulb color pink." "Okay Google, light bulb color yellow." "Okay Google, light bulb color white." "Okay Google, PowerPoint off."
Okay, turning off PowerPoint.
Or whatever device you have and whatever you want to say to it, you can just do that without even having your phone on you, or you can be anywhere sort of in the house where those devices can hear your voice, and you can just tell them what you want them to do and they'll do it for you. It is that simple. So that's everything I'm going to talk to you today about IQLIFE products and the brand. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I know it's helped me out and I really had so much fun using these products. They have just been like a game changer, like so cool. So I'll have everything linked below if you want to check that out and give it a try. And if you're keen to give it a go, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe down below. I would really appreciate that, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.